guys, come in. Come in.
Umaga sa'yo, James. Isa na.
Hi, Cassandra. Hi. So, you just make yourself comfortable, ha?
Oo.
Ayos lang ako sa kitchen, ha?
Ganda ng bahay mo.
Yeah, talaga?
Oo, grabe ang ganda ng bahay mo.
May napansin ka bang bago?
Oo, parang lumaki, ha?
Yeah. Nag-ano ako, papa-extend ako. Dagdag ng extra room. Meron na akong dirty kitchen. Oh.
Wow, talaga?
Yeah.
Pwede bang makita yung room mo?
Go ahead, go. You know, look around. You can, see,
Wow!
may na.
Saucy ka na talaga,
Well, you know, magkaano yun. Coffee, guys? Coffee?
Mag-abala ka pa, eh. Mag ka pa, eh.
Just, you know, make some coffee.
Ay!
That's okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's all right for you. Here.
Ito, ha? Medyo malamig lang, eh.
Sandali, reheat lang natin, ha?
Ayan.
Lamig lang, eh.
We got this new microwave, eh. Just hold your cup lang.
Oo.
Careful, it's hot. It's hot.
Wow.
Wow!
How? Smell that, pare?
Pare, nalalanghap ko yung aroma. Pare, ang bango. Mas masarap pa dun sa lasa ng Starbucks.
Yeah, pare, this is Starbucks nga, actually.
Ano nga palang blend nito?
Pare, this is the United Nations House Blend.
Ah, ito?
Yeah, kasi pinagsama-sama ko mga French, Sumatra, Pinoy blend.
Oh,
Cheers,
sarap.
pare,
Oh,
cheers.
sarap.
Cheers.
You have your own planet, ba?
Yeah, yeah. Good, no? Good? Good, yeah. Just make yourself comfortable.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday
to you, guys.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, God. Happy birthday to you. You guys.
On your party!
Yeah, you
Alam mo, may dala kaming food!
Nagkabala pa kayo. Kayo naman. Teka, let me have a seat. I'll just, fix you a chair. Hey, birthday wish. Birthday wish. Well, sana, sana magkaroon tayo palagi ng mga ganito. You know. Sandali, lalabas ko na yung food. Nag-prepare ako yun. Nag-prepare ako ng food. Sandali, I got some here, oh. Yeah. Pagsamahan lang natin, ha? See? Oh, what do you have?
Wow!
Pare,
Grabe, Spanish food ba yan?
Yeah!
Ito. Galing pa to sa basurahan ng Masa Armas. Akalain mo, dumayo pa ako doon. Ito, meron tayong mga kalyos,
Masa
mga
Armas?
paella.
Parang haven't been there for a long time, ha?
Pare, mga sipit ng mga crabs, mga tira-tira nila doon.
Hey
Ay,
guys,
birthday, that's for you,
listen
pal.
first. You should try this one. It's calio, super soft. It melts in your mouth.
Ayun.
Grabe, yeah. Oh, ay! May you be careful naman.
You should try the paellas, ha?
I have pesto here and
Pesto?
super fresh na basil. Oh my God, it's extra virgin ang olive oil na ginamit. I got this just now in the
Talaga?
basurahan there.
Oo. Look, ha? Maganda pa yung lalagyan, ha?
Oh,
konti
yeah.
bawas. Konti bawas, ha?
Sandali.
one's nice,
Masyado ko lang na olive oil intolerant ako. Anyway, bago kayo magpakabusog dyan, eto, tikman nyo muna yung wild rice and vegetable risotto ko from no other than
Grabe, ha?
Korea.
Hindi rice to, this is malagkit. This is good. See? Yeah, pa, you try. Try.
Oh, that's right.
No, wala na. Try. Sarap, di ba? Sarap! Good, ha? Good. Tol, itap, mga tol. Well done. At sandali, guard, ako rin gusto ko well done. Meron akong grill dito, sandali, ha?
Talaga?
Yeah.
Wow, sobra naman cozy na itong lugar mo.
Hey, you ayos
Yeah,
lang.
yeah,
There, oh, there's the cozy.
Just grill it. Lagyan natin yung
Yan. Para it's not too fattening, di ba?
Yeah, no, healthy,
Magdidrip na lang
healthy.
yung oil there.
Yeah.
Come and eat.
Oo.
Tara, don't you wanna try the,
Ang cake natin, no? Hindi pa nagagalaw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, coffee? You want some coffee?
Okay. Baka naman you have dessert.
Oo, dessert.
Well, actually, nagpe-prepare nga ako ng dessert kanina. I have this, Toblerone milk chocolate fondue.
Wow!
Wow!
Meron din ako mga cheesecake. I have that Oreo cheesecake and
Hey, but guys, let
come
me
on.
remind you. I'll remind you lang, wait lang.
May cheesecake din, blueberry.
Oh my God, let me remind you lang yung mga sweets na yan. Afro yan, ha?
Ah, yeah. I know what you mean. Teka, sandali ha. I'll just try and find my dessert. It's somewhere here.
Ay!
Oh.
Ay, James! Toast muna tayo. May dala akong wine for you.
Dessert is here ha.
Muna tayo.
Pika-pika na lang tayo.
May dala akong wine for you,
Ano
brother.
ba? Pare, petro.
James, teka. For James! Happy birthday, James!
James! Birthday!
Bro.
I love this, pare.
Oh, yeah, for you,
Cheers.
bro. Ito,
Excuse me. Nahulog ko yata yung bracelet ko dito kanina nung dumaan ako. By any chance, baka nakita niyo naman.
God, ano ba yan? Excuse me, nag-dinner kami dito. Hindi ba nakikita? Oo, yung so bastos. My God, the smells.
what's up with your necklace?
Anyway, James, bigyan mo na nga yung kahit na ano na umalis siya dito. Correct.
Ano mo na, nakaka-stop. Nawawalan tuloy ako ng gana. Oh, here, have some cake. Oh, there. Have some cake. Have some cake. Have cake. Cake for you.
Matawa mo sa